Welcome to Fin Trophy project. This is my second part video of Fin Trophy project. Fin Trophy project, one of the best project at this moment time. I show their platform, so everything is fine. Fin Trophy project. I hope this project has a bright future. There are many details here. Please stay with me for more information. Fin Trophy unlock the science behind investing. The tokens ETF management platform experiment with the aggregate access to credit tokens ETF or invest in prevent profitable formulation. About their project roadmap, token team, make by. So there have many details here. So please visit their Fin Trophy project. Maybe you can understand about this project. Okay guys, a live demo. Join hotlist to explore our intro tracks to know more about this project. Live demo. Invest the best portable invest carrot explorer portable token. New token from Alex by Alex Leon 232 LFT token. Okay, so everything is fine on this project. Fin Trophy live demo. Join hotlist. Join our hotlist. First and last name. Okay, so it is powered by Typhoon. So okay, just visit it there. Maybe can understand it. Why Fin Trophy actively manage found constant profitable replacing by experience assist manager assist and strategy verification underlying such as crypto, NFT, stock and commodity security and transparency. The government's best approval for portable assist hotlist. Performs the best reward and more than the successful strategies with our programs incentive system, behavior of investment tools, reveals the portable using the unique strategy with your possible asset, strategy protection. No need to reinvent of the portable stack there our investment strategy. Add Fin Trophy demo version. So okay, mega token class. Status of the project, question and project start, concept, team assembled, legal on the structure for the token shells. Question 2, architecture you will design, MBB release the best on the plugin, public security audits, mobile app development. Question 3, token shell, future asset managed, initial listing the mobile app development. Question 4, 2022 political the Dutch government's Volkswagen Partner integration top keep to essence listing full scale debut tools. Question on token stock integration, gamification future, chain bridge or power trading. Token details, token distribution. All token distribution is fine on this project. Staking 1800, reserve 1%, DAO research 7%, marketing 7%, public skills 6.67%, team advisor 7%, liquidity 10%, 20%. Join Fin Trophy right now and see for yourself. Live demo. All team member is honestly on this project. Backed by Basic Partner, Titans Venture, Nego Venture, Fin Trophy mobile apps. So okay, conventional platform is always with you. Join our subscribe list to get the latest news update and the announcement directly on your inbox. Okay guys, so everything is fine on this project. So I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this moment time. Okay guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.